Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to OSCW TV, exclusively here from X Media Productions as we take a look back at OSCW from the new home of OSCW, the Hand Recreation Center, March 13th, 2011. You see Brandon Paradise and his partner Jackhammer in the ring getting ready to take on the interim tag team champions, if you will. Nick Kismet taking the place of Italian Isa in this match. There's been a tag team titles here, Jared Shapiro.
Yes, and I do believe I've heard some deal making in the back rooms of OSCW about this match. Maybe we'll hear some more about that in the upcoming May show. But
well, Brett Wolverton has allowed Sixx to pick his own partner, and interestingly enough, picked a guy that already has a tag team partner. Nick Kismet, one half of Affirmative Action, so maybe something will come of that. Maybe a tag team title shot was promised later on down the road. We don't know exactly what's going to happen here.
We can only hope. I know that Nick Kismet's partner DeAndre Jackson is involved tonight
in the gentleman's corner. Yes, Nick Kismet negotiating the side headlock there on the Charisma Express. Brandon Paradise,
#1 apparently.
Referee Michael Burton there almost got in the way there.
And don't forget, these two have a history.
Yes, former tag team partners, the Y2X, very heated split. And they're no strangers to each other in that ring. There's a side headlock again by Kismet, negotiating Brandon Paradise.
Of course, don't forget this veteran, Jackhammer and
Sixx, the monster, in the corner of Nick Kismet as well. So, very interesting tag team matchup here. Fires him off. Big shoulder tackle by Brandon Paradise. Oh, didn't even do the leapfrog. He just started stomping the man. You see this packed house here we have in Hand Rec Center, the brand new home of OSCW. Moving a little closer to home, so to speak.
Yes, much better drive.
Big elbow smash right there from Brandon Paradise. Puts Nick Kismet down. And there's the disrespectful Opie chant from the crowd here in Hanahan.
Yeah, I don't think Brandon Paradise is very fond of that.
No, doesn't like that at all. You see just a slap to the back of the head.
Slap him like a bad dog.
Here comes the veteran Jackhammer.
Scoop slam.
Big scoop slam by Jackhammer.
Followed by the knee.
Nick Kismet in trouble now. Would it be something if Nick Kismet came in as a substitute partner and lost these tag titles for the champs here? Whoa! Here's a 2 count.
I don't think Sixx would be too happy with that happening.
No, I don't think so either. See a tag back into Paradise. Kick right there to the midsection.
Go tag!
Paradise back in the Go ahead, Jerry.
I was going to say, they're really controlling Nick Kismet, keeping him over in their corner.
Oh, that's smart strategy. Keep the smaller guy away. Keep the power man. Sixx is about 6'4". Weighs about 270, 280 pounds. So you want to keep a man like that out of the ring as long as possible. Big forearm shot there by Jackhammer. Make it 2 of them. Oh, and I don't know if intimidating Sixx or antagonizing Sixx, if you will.
Yeah, I don't think it was much intimidation.
Kismet now in the corner. Snap suplex by Jackhammer, nicely done. Burton in for the cover and only gets 2 again.
Back in the corner.
Putting Sixx out of the ring now. There's a tag on the other side. Paradise back in.
I think Sixx is starting to get a little bit irritated right now.
I don't know if I want Sixx angry at me.
I sure don't want him angry at me.
Intimidating figure there. Sixx and Paradise again. Just choking out Nick Kismet on the rope. Irish whip once again. Ducking the clothesline. Kismet with an elbow into a neck breaker. Nicely done.
Finally turning this around.
He needs to get to that corner. Needs to get to Sixx. Paradise down. Kismet down. And Kismet has made the tag. Here comes the monster.
Now's a good time to not be in the ring.
Oh, and well, he told him he could have a free shot. Sixx is having none of that as he blocked the shot. Fires back with right hands in his own. Big elbow there. Off the ropes. Sixx circles his man. Grabs Brandon Paradise. What's he going to do with him?
Gonna take him up.
Big body slam.
Back down. Crowd's really behind Sixx right now.
A loud Sixx chance breaks out here in Hanahan. Big headbutt.
You ever wonder what Sixx looks like under that Predator mask?
I'm a little bit afraid to find out.
Yeah, no one backstage seems to know.
No.
Shows up in his big truck, gets out. Already got
the mask on. See, oh! Sixx went in for the clothesline. Yep. And Paradise dug, but Sixx is unfazed by that. Is now double leg trip. Paradise outside the ring. Here we go, brawling outside.
And just to point out, this blue floor is not.
Look out! Oh, no, it's not.
This is a basketball court. These men are working on.
Out there is Paradise rolled back into the ring. Sixx now takes the tag to Kismet.
In the background, you can see the ominous pieces to the cave that will be going up during intermission.
Later on for the second half of this show, Cage Carnage. 4 matches inside of a steel cage, including War Games. Burton in for the cover and only gets 2.
Don't forget that vicious dog collar match also will be inside the steel cage. Not just one, but 2 things against 2 men.
Dog collar cage match. We have Raven and Lodi with a chance to win the hardcore title tonight against Cali Casanova inside a steel cage. And don't forget that big 10-man War Games match. Skylar Squadron against Playboy's Platoon. That's later on tonight right here on OSCW TV. Paradise versus Nick Kismet now. Nick Kismet leapfrog over it. Oh, and Paradise caught him low.
That was
on the way down. Tag back into Jackhammer now. Kismet feeling the effects of that low blow. Rear chin lock applied by Jackhammer.
Kismet's going to be in trouble again.
I think there was a rake to the eyes there. Picked up, atomic drop. Wily veteran Jackhammer.
Kick to the tailbone.
No wasted motion here. Again, jaw jacking with Sixx. I'm not sure if that's the right thing to do, but nevertheless.
Just make the big guy even madder.
I'm wondering if Brandon Paradise is ever going to settle on a tag team partner. It seems like here lately in OSCW, he's kind of going through the motions of partner of the week, so to speak, or partner of the month.
He's taking everyone for a test drive. I hear
he's teamed with Hexon, he's teamed with Jackhammer.
I hear the next show might be teaming with one of the ring crew.
Very possible. Now Russian leg sweep by Paradise, very nicely done. Into the cover. 2 count again. Kismet showing his tenacity, continues to kick out of these pinfall attempts. Paradise going to do shoves him into the corner. Paradise, Kismet in the wrong part of town as Paradise delivers that chop. Kismet now fighting his way out, leapfrogs over and tags into Sixx. Here comes the big man, big clothesline coming out of the corner.
Takes Jackhammer right off the apron.
Another big clothesline. Jackhammer in trouble, clothesline down. Paradise goes down, right hand. Jackhammer down as well. Paradise shoved into the corner. Whip in. Oh, and Jackhammer, veteran move, shoves Paradise out of the way. Into a lung blower by Paradise. Sixx now in trouble.
Not looking good.
Look out. Oh, and Jackhammer gets nailed by Brandon Paradise.
Smart moves. Make your opponents work against each other.
Look out. Choke slam attempt, perhaps.
He's going to choke him all the way to hell.
Into the sit-down powerbomb by Sixx. Here comes Kismet. He's coming off the ropes. Elbow smash connects. Look out. 1, 2, 3. And ladies and gentlemen, it's over. Your winners and still tag team champions, Sixx and Nick Kismet.
Hard-fought battle for those titles.
Absolutely.
Unfortunately for Nick Kismet, this might be the only chance he has to hold that anytime soon.
Well, we never know. We don't know exactly what's going to happen here with the tag team title situation. I guess we'll find out at our next OSCW event, May 15th, right back here at the Hand Recreation Center. For Jared Shapiro, this is Jason Willis signing off for OSCW TV.